Today, we will be going over how to install the EcoHitch on your Golf Alltrack or Golf Sportswagen. There are slightly different steps for 2019 models, so please refer to your instructions for details. Start by removing the 9 bumper fascia fasteners and the 3 Torx screws from each of the rear wheel wells. There will also be a screw on both the passenger and driver sides to remove. Next, open the lift gate and open the tail light assembly access panel on both the driver and passenger side. Unscrew the tail light securing pin and disconnect the wire harness. Gently peel the bumper fascia away from the vehicle. Remove the 7 bolts securing the rear cross member in place. Lift the rear cross member upward to remove it from the vehicle. Rotate the rear cross member into the slot on the left side of the EcoHitch and place the 2-piece unit onto the temporary mounting bolts. Thread 1 screw through the outside rear cross member weld nuts to act as temporary hanging bolts. Secure the hitch and rear cross member assembly by threading the hardware through each of the 5 remaining lug nuts and hand tighten. Using the instructions, mark and trim a section from the driver's side factory cutout on the bumper down to the crease at the bottom of the bumper. It may be necessary to cut farther down than shown. Reinstall the bumper tail light and assemblies by following these instructions in reverse. After all the components are back in place, your EcoHitch is ready to be used.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.